This is Ranger Kidwell Ross, editor of WorldSweeper.com, and we are at the American Public Works Association PWX show, September 2019 in Seattle. Tony Nisam is here with Zonar, and he is a business development specialist for that company, and he's going to tell us how this product could work for sweepers. Yes. So please do.
Absolutely. So we're a general telematics company. We do GPS and all that, but what differentiates us from everybody else is our safety inspection technology. And so basically what we can do is make sure that operators, when they're starting out at the beginning of the day, that they actually get out and inspect their vehicles. Make sure that they're safe and good to go.
Instead of just signing a pre-checklist?
Yeah, no more pencil whipping a paper form and saying that your vehicle's okay when oftentimes it's not, right? So the way we do that is RFID tags. These are RFID and NFC.
And this happens to be an over-the-road truck, but it could be a sweeper.
Imagine this is a sweeper, so what I've pulled up on our tablet here is a sweeper truck. So we're going to start with our inspection. Scanner is built into this. This is a Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 2.
Okay.
And it can scan these tags. And let's see, how do we back out of here? So first we're going to start with an asset tag, so you know which vehicle we're inspecting. Go down here, boom.
All right.
So this is the asset.
Good to see you. Both of you. I will.
And we're going to go around the vehicle, all the zones. So inside the cab, click on that.
You want to verify that the last inspection was done correctly. We're going to enter the mileage of the sweeper, and then we're going to start the inspection.
So first we're going to pop the hood and check the engine.
Just go ahead and scan.
So they do this on a tablet, on a phone, whatever it is you're utilizing, and then you're going to each of the RFID tags and verifying what you've checked. So here we have engine. If you can't, I'm not sure we can see it, but I think we can.
These are all customizable, but all the things you would want your drivers to check. Sure. So engine oil, coolant, power steering, engine compartment, radiator, fans, belts, etc., etc. Now, if they notice a defect, say they see a fan belt is worn, right? They're going to click on that, and you have, again, a customizable list. Is it broken? Is it frayed, inoperative, shroud loose, whatever? You can say, let's say a bolt is missing. Fan belt bolt's missing, yes.
So it's safe to drive, we're thinking, but you need to replace the bolt.
So you have the option to decide, is this a critical fault, or is it something that I can still operate with?
Right.
You can also take a picture of the problem. Take a photo, right?
Gotcha.
And then that'll be sent straight to your maintenance guys. If you're not sure is it a critical fault or not, take a picture and ask.
Okay.
Right? So we're going to save that. So now we see there's a problem there. You got bolts missing on your fan belt. Otherwise, we're going to say everything else is okay. Save it. Next, and we continue on and on through.
So for each of the spots, and that's customizable, I'm sure, also.
Correct.
Wherever you want your RFID tag.
Yep. Exactly. And let's see what we got here.
Yeah, so this whole system we put.
Well, I think that tells us, what
your hydraulics, your gutter broom. This is all the sweeper specific items, and again, all customizable because we know all sweepers are different.
Sure.
But bottom line, so they can certify that they've done their inspection. Any defects that are found are sent straight to the maintenance folks. It facilitates, maintenance. Work orders and all that, and compliance. So if you ever do get audited, you can show the inspector, well, here's our electronic record of all the inspections that have been done.
And those can be kept on file indefinitely, I'm sure.
Yeah.
And then what about reporting? Now, we know we have a bolt loose on our fan. What's next?
We're working on that.
So,
right now,
assuming that the company is using a maintenance software, whether it's Faster or AssetWorks or Dossier RTA, we integrate with all the maintenance providers, and this information will be transmitted straight into your maintenance software. You can have it set up to auto-generate work orders. Okay. And then, of course, the mechanic who's going to fix it, he's going to sign off that it's been repaired, and then that will automatically update in here, and it'll show who fixed it, when it was fixed, who signed off on it. So again, paper trails, except no more paper. Right. Makes it a lot easier to figure out who did what. and improve your safety and compliance. And we all know a safe fleet is an efficient fleet.
You bet. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you, Ranger.
That's great, Tony.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. And how does somebody get hold of Zonar?
So our website is zonarsystems.com, and if you wanted to get a hold of me, it's my name, tony.nisam at zonarsystems.com.
All right.
And you can certainly find me on LinkedIn. I am a big fan of safety topics, safety videos, sharing best practices. So,
that's good to know as well.
Yeah, give me a shout.
I'll check in on you with LinkedIn.
Fantastic.
Thanks,
Ranger.
Tony.
Look forward to that.